Question number 40. Some energy levels of a hydrogen atom are shown. 3, 2, 1 is shown. Hydrogen atom, which means what? You are going to use a Bohr's atom model and your energy equation is given by minus 13.6 divided by n square. Okay. What is the wavelength emitted in transition X to wavelength emitted in transition Y? So that's what has been asked. So what do I do? So I want wavelength emitted in transition X from here to here. Now, what is this now? This is your E2 minus E1. What is E2 minus E1? Let us substitute here. This should be 13.6 divided by 4 minus 13.6 divided by 1. Okay, this is E2 minus E1, which will be equal to how much? 13.6. There is a negative over here, negative sign over here, which should now be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 should be 3 by 4. Okay, let us keep it just like this. Then similarly, in the second one, what will happen? It will be E3 minus E1, right? This one, E3 minus E1, which should now be equal to minus of 13.6 divided by 3. I'll substitute here. We become 3 cube. 3 cube will be equal to what? 3 square. 3 square will be 9 minus 1, which is 13.6 divided by 1 over here, which is minus 13.6 into 1 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 9 minus 1, which will now be equal to, or maybe I'll take, I'll take minus over here. Okay, it's already minus over here, right? So therefore I'll take minus over here into 1 minus 1 by 9 should be 8 by 9, right? So now what I will do is minus 8 by 9 here, minus 8 by 9 over here. So now what do I need? I just need to divide both of them here, right? This is energy levels here. I want to get the wavelengths. How do I get wavelengths? From energy differences. I know lambda is equal to hc by delta E, right? Lambda is inversely proportional to delta E. You have got delta E here, and here also we have got delta E here. So what is he asking? He is asking you to find out lambda x divided by lambda y. Am I right? Lambda x by lambda y, which should now be equal to hc divided by delta Ex divided by hc divided by delta Ey. Now what will happen? This hc goes away. You get delta Ey divided by delta Ex, right? What is delta Ey? It's here. This is your delta Ey, this is your delta Ex. Delta Ey is nothing but this minus into minus becomes plus. So I need some more space here. So I will write it here. So I can now write delta Ey by delta Ex is equal to 13.6 into 8 by 9 divided by, what was the first one? 13.6 into 3 by 4, right? 13.6 into 3 by 4. So these two goes away. So what am I getting? 8 by 9 into 4 by 3, which should be 32 by 27. This should be your answer. 32 by 27 should be CO here.